Hello dear children, here I am Asha Santosh. Welcome you all back to your online EVS class. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, we have completed first two lessons from semester 2. Living and non-living things and things we get from nature. In our first lesson, we have discussed about characteristics of living things. Isn't it? Living things shows different characters. Which are they? Yes, living things move. For what they move? Yes, in search of food and shelter. Living things grow. Living things need food. Living things breathe. Living things feel the changes around them. Then living things reproduce and living things grow old and die. Then in second chapter, we have discussed about the things which we get from plants, animals and earth. Hope all of you have read the lesson and studied the notes very well. You have to study, fill in the blanks, name the following and also text exercises. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about houses. That is our fourth chapter. It is an activity lesson. So no need to study this lesson for your exam. But you have to read the lesson. Okay. It will give you an idea to make your house. Let's start.
Place the circled letters in the correct boxes to make a word. U is given already. Yes, H, O, U, S, E. What word did you get? Say it aloud. Yes, house. We live in houses. Our houses protect us from the sun, wind, rain and snow. They also protect us and our things from animals and thieves. People live in different kinds of houses. Some live in flats while others live in bungalows. Some people live in huts.
Children, we all are living in different types of houses with our family, right? In our house, we all family members love each other, care each other and help each other. Then our house become a sweet home, right? Do you have a sweet home? Very good. Children, our house is made with different materials, right? Normally, all the houses are made with bricks, cement, iron, then wood, etc.
Materials needed to build houses. Most houses in cities are built with bricks, cement, steel, wood and glass. The walls and roof are made of steel, bricks and cement. The doors and windows frames are made of wood. Glass is used to make window panes.
A good house needs proper sunlight, clean air and proper drainage system. Children, sunlight killed the germs which is present inside our house. Then, clean air is necessary for us to breathe, right? And also, houses have proper drainage system to carry wastewater. Okay.
Things a good house needs. A good house needs sunlight, clean air and a proper drainage system. Sunlight kills germs that can make us sick. Houses should have windows to let the sunlight in. Breathing clean air is very important. Windows let out stale air and let in clean air. Open space in houses like verandas and balconies help us to get fresh air. Houses should have a proper drainage system to carry away dirty water.
Then, how can we keep our house clean? Are you keeping your house clean? How? Let's discuss.
Keeping our house clean. We should keep our house and the area around it clean. We should not throw garbage in open places inside or outside our house. Garbage attracts flies and other insects which can make us sick. We should have covered dustbin for garbage. We should not allow dirty water to collect anywhere inside or outside our house. Mosquitoes and germs breed in collected water and spread diseases. To keep insects such as mosquitoes and flies away, we should have wire netting on doors and windows. We should grow plants around our house. Plants clean the air.
Is your home clean and tidy? It is very important to keep your house clean and tidy. When your home is dirty, germs and other creatures like rats and cockroaches are likely to share it with you and can make you sick. You can keep your home tidy by keeping things in their proper place after use and by throwing garbage in covered dustbins. Open the windows to let in fresh air and sunshine. Grow plants around the house to keep the air clean. Do not let water collect in places or have open drains.
Children, hope all of you are doing all these activities in your house to keep your house clean, right? Very good. If you can keep your house clean, our state become clean. If you can keep your state clean, our nation also become clean. So, cleanliness should start from your house itself. Okay. Children, we have completed this lesson. This is an activity lesson. So, you need not study this lesson for your exam. But you should read this lesson. And you have to study lesson 2. Fill in the blanks, name the following and also text exercise for the next class. We'll meet in the next session. Until then, take care and goodbye.